How to add new contacts in WhatsApp on Android device. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp and log into your account. Then you'll find green button with plus sign on it on bottom right corner of your screen above calls. Simply click on green button and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on new contact and then add first name, last name, add phone number according to country code, save to Gmail. You can choose any Gmail you want. You can also add information. If you don't want to add information, simply click on save and then you're good to go. That's how to add new contacts in WhatsApp on Android device. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophie signing off. Until next time.